everyone, Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I wanted to give you a quick command tip on how you can compare your offers in command and generate a report that you can give to your clients to easily review those offers, okay? So I'm going to share my screen with you and we will get started. So when you are in command, we're going to go to opportunities. Remember, that's the handshake on the left side. And it's just easier for me to always go to all opportunities, especially since I'm on some teams up here. Once I'm here, I'm just going to type the address for the property that I'm looking for and open up that opportunity. Now, when you go to offers and commissions, this is the section that we're going to be focused on. So I have already entered one of the offers here. And so now I'm going to add another offer. So keep in mind, this is in a multiple offer situation when you want to generate a report to easily snapshot what the pros and cons are for each offer that you've received, okay? So I've already entered this one. The next step is I'm going to enter the next offer. So I'm going to click on add new offer. And if you have multiple offers, I would just name this the name of the buyer that's making the offer. So I'm just going to say Donald Duck, create offer. Okay, so once again, we're putting the name here, offer date, close date. Okay, and parties. This is where you're going to put your buyer again. And then the associate representing them. And then we're going to, and keep in mind on this page, you only have to fill in the red asterisk areas. You don't have to fill in every section, okay? We're going to click terms. This is where you'll need your contract out to be able to see what the terms are for the offer, okay? So for this one, I'm just going to say it's $295,000 cash offer, okay? So since I have the cash here, I don't have to put any finance because it's a cash offer. However, let's say they were getting $100,000 financed, you'd put that here and you see it auto-populates right here. So I'm going to delete this though for this example. The earnest money, I'm just going to say they're given $10,000 in earnest. And then I'm going to say there's $1,000 option fee for 10 days. And that's all I'm going to say for this offer, but obviously you have your residential service contract and your settlement costs here for concessions. Agent analysis, this is the section that you note the pros and the cons, okay? So let me make sure I remember what they were. So definitely a pro is that this is a cash offer, okay? So also there is a $10,000 earnest, which is great. Now the con would definitely be $1,000 option fee, especially in today's market, and the fact that it's a 10-day option. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. Offer for $295,000. And how much did I say that? Oh, $10,000 in earnest. $10,000. Okay, the con is that it is a $1,000 option fee for 10-day option period. Okay, so this is where you could summarize. This is a strong offer. Cash. Do not have to worry about appraisal, and also that it is, you know, $10,000 earnest. That's great. So the main con that I'd be concerned about in this one would be the option period. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. Now, when we get to this section, you see how we've got both offers here. We got Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck. Okay, so what you're going to do now, once you have input all of your offers in here, click select all, Or if you don't want every one of them to be on that generated report, you just manually click the little boxes next to it. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to click on compare offers up here at the top right. That'll pull up your report here, and then you can download it. When you click that, it's going to download it to your computer. And from here, you can save it to your computer, you can email it to your clients, etc. Or you can click email offer comparison and type your client's information here. And the great thing is it auto-populates this information for you, or you can change it and add your own. And you'll even see send a copy to my email. You can check that and it'll send it to you as well. So that's how you do it, guys. If you need any help, let me know. Have a great day.